In this video, we will discuss stem and leaf displays. In the previous exercise, tally marks were used to determine how many items went into each class. They also offer a good visual reference for the data, like a histogram turned on its side, but are usually dropped once the tallying is done, so the visual reference is lost. We also can't tell from a grouped frequency distribution what the original items were, only how many were in each class. A stem and leaf display allows us to see how many elements are in each class, as well as what the elements are. The groups are listed on the left, generally by groups of 10. So in the case of the previous example, we would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. The second digits are listed in a row. If there are no items in a given class, the row is left empty. Here is a stem and leaf display for weekly study times as seen in the last example. Here we have row 1, for which we have, these are our stems, and these are our leaves. So we have 6 elements that appear in row 1, and we can see exactly what those would be because we just tack the second number onto the first, 18, 15, 12, 16, 14, 17. For 2, we would have 29, 26, 25, 24, 22, 29, 29, 23, 24, and so on. Notice I included an 8 here, even though there are no elements that started with an 8. So we would see that we have a blank row here for 8. There is nothing in the class from 80 to 89. And I made a mistake with the 70 row. I put in 2 elements when there should only have been 1, and that's 72. At a glance, the stem and leaf display conveys the same information as a histogram. Row 8 has no data items as there were no values between 80 and 89,